The U.S. Government Printing Office takes great pride in its mission of keeping America informed on the three branches of the federal government. GPO works with the library community to provide free, open, and permanent public access to the documents of our democracy. For nearly 200 years, this has occurred through the Federal Depository Library Program. The public can visit any of the 1,250 federal depository libraries throughout the country and access information on virtually any topic. Finding federal government information is easy as FDL. Free information, dedicated service, limitless possibilities.
Why is it important to have free access, open access to government information? Really, it's at the core of what all of us do as citizens in this country. It's how we vote, it's how we get our driver's license, it's how we pay our taxes. It really is important to be able to go to your local depository library and get the information you need to interact directly with the government.
One of the things that makes federal depository libraries unique as opposed to just your public library or school library is the fact that we're charged with making sure that government information is available for the public.
Just the access that it provides. I mean, think of it, it's a nationwide network. It's already in place throughout the country.
A convenience for the American people. Rather than having to go to the Agriculture Department or the Interior Department or to the countless agencies in our federal government to get information, you can go to one place, one library, and you can pick up any sort of material that you would need.
Documents librarians provide the key to helping members of the public locate the information that they need.
But being a librarian is more than just knowing how to find books and show books to the patrons. Working within the FDLP means that I help lead the public to a wealth of resources they may not have been aware of and didn't know they had access to.
One of the things that you get in a depository library and in depository librarians and the staff is that you not only get the person right in front of you, but you get the backup from the government printing office. You also get the backup from a community of librarians around the country. You get not just the person that's in front of you, but you get 1,200 people who are going to help you find that piece of information.
And individual librarians, in our partnership with GPO, bring to the program is our expertise, our knowledge, our skills with the materials and the content, and the way the agencies work together.
I can find information to help my dreams come true. I can find information about medical issues. I might find information about small businesses. I might go in there and find information about my ancestors doing genealogy research. So the possibilities for the user of libraries, whether they walk in the door or access the depository library from their computer at home, the possibilities are really limitless.
Is made up of about 1.5 million items.
We have all the legislative materials, executive branch things, Supreme Court.
Ben's Guide for U.S. Government for Kids.
Children's book published by NASA and the USGS, and it's called The Adventures of Echo the Bat.
From How to Raise Ostriches to the Journals of the Continental Congress.
Botanical Gardens book, and the History of the United States Capitol and Women in Congress book.
To digitize the publications of the Civil Rights Commission.
It consists of paper, CDs, microfiche, microfilm, electronic items.
Public access to government information. Any government document that's within the scope of our program, if you need it, it's available in our Federal Depository Library program.
Well, there are many people who don't know anything about federal depository libraries, so I would say try it, you'll like it. These libraries are treasure troves of government information.
To learn more about federal depository libraries in your area, you can log on to gpoaccess.gov.